Hey guys, I'm Amir. Welcome to Gedrosia channel. And about this channel, we're going to how this 3D world and 3D printer, additive manufacturing, and so on. These topics. In this playlist, we are going to show you videos from the research, design, and manufacturing department for this project. So before we started the video, be sure to subscribe the channel and activate the ring bell for next part of this playlist. Well, I already researched how to it work, design requirements, and other information, which I will tell you briefly. And a point, I forget to say one thing. We are going to be working on a 3D printer with TIG or the same, um, another word, argon welding. Remember that the TIG welding process is very different from MIG welding. Okay, the first point is about welding points, which are topics such as the amount of arc, height, and how to maintain and guide it. It's the turning point. It's the turning point of this printer. This printer should be such that you can remove it from the machine after finishing the printing part, because the weight of parts is very high. You should design the very good ventilation in this machine because it's important to remove the toxic vapors product in printing process made toxic vapor and like so on, Also, the manufacturing speed of this 3D printer or this machine is lower than other 3D printers like polymer 3D printer or resin 3D printer, you know, because it causes the lines to be cut the print. You're losing the white line in part and in top or bottom layer. As you can see in this picture, after the whole manufacturing process, they need to be machined before using the part. It's very important to use from this machine because it's increase the uh, first material or mm, main material for your product. Now let's see the design together in time lapse on Catia.